Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newspaper. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rabbit. S for ship. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.